Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to mark a group chat as unread on WhatsApp. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone to access your group chats and conversations. 2. Long press on the group chat that you wish to mark as unread. This action will select the group and bring up additional options. 3. Locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and tap on them to reveal the group chat settings menu. 4. From the menu options that appear, select Mark as Unread to indicate that you want to revisit this group chat later, as if you haven't read it yet. By following these steps, you can easily manage and prioritize your group chats on WhatsApp, ensuring you don't miss any important messages. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on marking a group chat as unread on WhatsApp. Stay tuned for more messaging app tips and tricks to enhance your communication experience.